up. Guys, there's literally mold in my jam. That's just tragic and kind of disgusting. Look, it's even on there. Not that any of y'all asked to see mold this morning, but that's going in the trash. I'm pretty sure I have jam from the Amish store. Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay, I've been dying to try this jam. As you can see, I'm in Boise and I came back as a fiance. Crazy lit movie. Honestly, still feel like I'm in a dream every time I look at my hand and see this rock on it. Today's Thursday. I start school in 4 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yes, 4 days. Ah! It's my senior year of college. This whole college experience has just flown by, so I'm just excited to live it up. Yeah, if you know what I mean. Exciting thing is I'm getting a facial today. Woo, thank goodness. This face needs to be cleansed. I always get one the week before a new school semester. It's kind of like a little treat to myself. I'll be going to Sweet Cheeks Beauty Bar in Boise. Love them. And then I'm getting an oil change at Howdy today. That's the not so exciting thing. But I'm gonna bring a book. We're gonna make a whole thing of it. My car has been screaming at me all summer long, and I've kind of been putting it off because I really don't want to get the oil change. We're doing a Caro breakfast staple this morning. We've got sourdough toast, jam, and eggs. Y'all, when my eggs were cooking on the stove, I actually thought that there was like a chick in it because it sounded like there was a chicken crying. I got really freaked out. Go try this right now. Thank me later. It's very rare that I wake up and want to go on a run, so when I do, I take advantage of the moment because I know it does not last forever. Here's today's little outfit of the day. So many people sleep on TJ Maxx, but let me tell you, I got these shorts from TJ Maxx and they are my new favorite obsession. Sorry, I love Lululemon, but sometimes their shorts like ride up. I got this top at an outlet store in Castle Rock, Colorado. Time check, it's 8:11. My facial is at 11 a.m. So we're doing pretty good. Maybe I'll grab a coffee after, and actually if Starbucks has their fall menu, I might have to do a pumpkin chai.
So much poison in a room full of people making so much noise.
Getting our facial!
Very poison, 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 poison. For the good kind.
I got in my car after getting my coffee and then I was like, wait, I want to get my esthetician girl a coffee. So I went to a different coffee shop and I got her a brown sugar latte with oat milk. Face right now feels impeccable. Look at this shine. Are you guys seeing this shine? I'm gonna sit down and eat a quick lunch before I have to go get my car oil change. Yay! Just kidding, not yay. I've been putting it off and it's gonna cost me a buck. Lunch of the day. I have meal prepped this for 3 days. So this is my last one that I'm on. This is rice pilaf, tofu, beans, and corn. To be honest, this was before I did my grocery run. Whatever I had in my pantry and in my fridge is what I just ended up making. And so, yeah, this is what we got. The best gifts that I have ever received since I've been in college for the last 4 years have been massages, facials, nail appointments, or something sentimental. Obviously, a handwritten letter speaks 1,000 words, right? But also, I think sometimes instead of asking for whatever's like the hottest or latest trend, like I don't have the Adidas Samba shoes. When everyone was getting them, I didn't put them on any of my wish lists because I just would much rather appreciate a facial or a service like that because they're about the same price. If anything, maybe the shoe is more. So if you need gift inspiration on what to gift someone else or to ask for, gift them a facial. Trust me. Today at Sweet Cheeks, I did the Luminous Skin Facial. That included not only the facial on the face, but extractions, a mask, literally a head massage. My favorite thing ever because my mom used to give my sister and I scalp massages, but also a neck and shoulder massage. Hadley, if you're watching this, that was the best facial of my life. You killed it. Y'all, it's 7 in the morning and I think the package that my parents overnighted to my house finally arrived. I don't know what I would ever do without them. You may be wondering, what is in this package that you had to overnight? Well, when I was in Texas, I left my hard drive in my nightstand drawer. I did not bring it back. And that hard drive has quite literally everything on my life. It has all my editing software. It also has the music video for my new song release. So I needed it before Saturday, which is tomorrow. So my parents were an angel. Thank you, Ricky P, if you're watching this, for spending $169 to overnight it. Don't worry, I paid him back, but yeah, that's how much it costs to overnight a little package, 169 bucks. Here she is, here's our girl. I cannot believe tomorrow is the release date of my song. I hope you guys love it so much. I'm ecstatic about it. Yesterday I didn't film this, but I ended up going on a walk with my friend Nick. He came over for dinner. I made like chicken teriyaki, some rice, salad. We enjoyed that meal here, and then we went on a walk in the Greenbelt, and we were just catching up on everything life, and I did get the chance to show him the music video that you guys are gonna get to see, and he loved it. He thought it was such a good idea, so I just cannot wait for y'all to see it. I'm back home from my workout class and I have a quick turnaround because I'm meeting two of my girlfriends, Lauren and Lex, for lunch today. I feel like we need some natural lighting while I get ready. Also, I ended up redoing my room and I filmed the whole thing, like the whole room makeover, over on my TikTok and my Instagram. If you remember, this big mirror used to be over there. Now there's just this blank wall. And then this was shifted a little bit over, so I just moved it here, rehung up some frames, got some new ones, like this beautiful little floral one. All the decorations I got were from HomeGoods, and this lamp was one of them that I actually cannot stop staring at. Beautiful flowers, they're not from HomeGoods. These are actually from my management team as a congratulations on my engagement. I wanted to get a rug, so I found this really pretty floral one, and I think it adds a pop of color into the room since it is pretty white. New comforter as well. It's so soft. And then I don't know if I ever showed this, but when Griffin proposed in Texas, this was the blanket that he was standing on. It was on the ground in this Texas field. And then have to show off this nightstand because I'm obsessed with it. So I found this little bowl, and I guess people could probably use this for anything like fruit. I just decided to buy this fall foliage and then just add it in there. There's cinnamon sticks and other stuff, so it smells really good. These little wooden planks are actually supposed to be used for kitchen purposes, but I just ended up using it as a little nightstand table. This lamp has the best soft lighting. Makeup bag is in hand. Predispose my soul to tides that ebb and flow. I'm the one the ocean chose to stay. Salted air, my skin is blessed with sunlight prayers. Head to toe in lace ribbon. Oh, July couldn't stay. It was already near the ending of a summer. You'd be starving. Can't forget the most important thing. I seriously stopped wearing all my other jewelry because why would I need to when I have this? Additionally, these nails are getting fixed, don't worry. There's a whole funny story time, which I will share with y'all. Really quick, here's an outfit of the day. I'm thinking of maybe wearing this purse, but I feel like that might be too much. I don't know. Also, we did decide on doing Korean food instead, so maybe that is too much. I added this little neck scarf, and I think it's completed the look, I must say. Funny story time really quick while I put on some lip gloss. I was fully convinced that Griffin was going to propose at his parents' weekend. Every college has a parents' weekend, and the one at USAFA is very elaborate. I had no clue that he would be doing it in Texas while I was still in Texas. It just didn't math for me because he was in school already. So that's why I went crazy and just decided to get blue nails for a bachelorette party theme that was blue. So silly me, silly girl. Would this have been the ideal color that I would have chosen for getting engaged? Probably not, but I think it makes it funnier and just more special. It's very realistic of Griffin and I's relationship. I can't tell if I want to add a hair clip in my hair or not. If I were to add one, I'd probably do this cherry one. I feel like I wear this one all the time. Favorite hair trick is literally just taking the clip all the way open, starting here and then just dragging it back.